So as you can see, look at all the stuff that it's picked up already. Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing a cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. And if you're interested, I'll put a link in the video description where you can get it from. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. First of all, you got a brush, and you got your power cord. You have your main brush right here. So this is just kind of to brush along. It does not have rotating blades, but this can turn. You got your other nozzle end, and this actually can be lifted up. So if you're scrubbing something, let's go over here and we can see the actual vacuum, and there is its charging base. So that's the charging base. And here is the vac. So to take off where you clean it, you just simply twist and it pops right off. And you see you got a little filter right here that you can clean as well. So we'll set that to the side. And then inside here, you can see, you simply grab this. So go ahead and press on this, and that pops open. You can then press and push this out, and then you can take this off for cleaning. That pops off for cleaning. Just turn that on, slide everything back into place, and you can go ahead and pop that back on, and it's back on just like that. And go ahead, set it up right like this. If it does not go in, it's because this wasn't down far enough. So make sure this is down and turned down in, and then you will be able to set the lock right like this and twist it once you get down in here. So I realized to lock it, normally the lock would be facing this, but since it's not, you simply have this part facing over here, and then you turn it and it locks in place. Here you got your power. So you got two power modes. Definitely got a lot of power. So for the charging bay, it's upright, so you just line just like this, and then it will charge on the base. Alright, then you have your long pull vacuum part, and if you press this in, you can extend it even further. So that just simply slides in just right like that. And for this, you just simply slide this in. Once it's in, then you're good to go. So let's test it out on our hardwood floor. So I specifically didn't clean for a while. That way we could see how well it cleans. So as you can see, look at all the stuff that it's picked up already. And we just got started. So you can see that it works very well. The suction works very well. Overall, it's nice and handy. I do like it. It's a nice vacuum. It doesn't have as many features as some of the other brands, but this is a cheaper brand, so this is a cheaper vacuum, and you have to keep that in mind when you are getting this. This isn't like the $160, $250 vacuums. So you got to keep that in mind. It's not going to have the features as that. Suction power is great. As you can see, it sucked up a lot of stuff. A lot of features about it are just simple designed features, but overall it does the job. It works good. It just doesn't have as many special features as some of the higher tier ones, but if you're using it for vacuuming or for, you know, just dusting and stuff like that, or your vehicle, this would work great in your vehicle. Not really carpet, just pretty much hardwood floor or very light carpeted area. This I think would work very well. Since it doesn't have the rotating blades, it wouldn't be that good for carpet, but unless it's very, very, very fine carpet. So keep that in mind. As you saw, it works good. I like it. I think we're going to give it a 3.5 star out of 5. So 3.5 stars out of 5. And I think we're going to give it a 6.5 out of 10 score. The good things about this is if you want a cordless vacuum that is cheaper, you don't want to pay for all the extra features of the other ones. You want something for your car, or if you spill dog food or cereal or something to clean up, that's simple and easy. You just simply grab it from its charging bay and go ahead and charge it. Go ahead and use it. This is probably what you want. If you need something for carpet or whatnot, more higher end, you want all the features, you want all the special locking mechanisms, and you want all the quick, easy stuff, you're going to want to spend a lot more money than this. So if you're on a budget, this is definitely a good budget cordless vacuum with many, many different uses. So I actually do like this. I think this is a good vacuum for like in our basement and stuff like that because it's concrete floor. Overall, I'm happy with it. Links in my video description if you're interested.